chose Howard out of all places you could have gone for your education. Where are you from?
I am from Easton, Pennsylvania. It's a suburb of Philadelphia.
Okay. And you chose Howard. You came and studied what?
Nursing. Nurses are the best. So I am part of the #1 most trusted profession. So nursing, right here at Howard University.
Let's just jump all the way to modern day. You are not just a nurse, you are pretty much the nurse in DC. Say why. Like, list some of the titles or organizations that you are heavily involved in.
Thank you, B. So I am the proud founder and president of the Black Nurse Collaborative right here in the District of Columbia, where it was founded. I am also a divisional director of nursing at the George Washington University Hospital. And I'm also so super excited and elated to be the chair of the DC Board of Nursing, which has oversight of over 47,000 nurses that are licensed to practice right here in the District of Columbia.
That's awesome.
Just a little bit.
You do just a little something.
Just a little something.
Let's jump back a few years, though, to some important work. We had a pandemic.
What was that? You mean COVID? What was that?
We had a major thing going on, and you took it upon yourself, and I know it wasn't like someone told you to do it, but you took it upon yourself to create media to inform us. You were like a trusted resource of what we knew in the moment. Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Talk about that and that effort and what you did.
So listen, B, as a proud Howard University graduate and as a person who was on the front line of the pandemic, it was so important and near and dear to me that we were the messengers of this very crazy message. And additionally, people needed to see us. People needed to see us that were actually in healthcare, taking the vaccine, taking care of ourselves. No, it was not a hoax. No, we don't do Clorox. No, we don't need the UV rays to cure COVID. But I was just excited to be able to use my social media platforms when I was getting vaccinated, unfortunately when I got quarantined, and really letting us, the Black individuals, Black and brown people, know how important our health was. So I'm honored and gratefully survived.
Not only that, you were letting us know what was happening. It was clear that you were in DC. And I don't want to say it's as a result, but I think you were recognized afterward by the city in some key ways. You became our elector.
I did. So because of the work that we've done, back in 2020, we had that little election where also our current Howard alumna, the Kamala Harris, was running as our vice president ticket with our current president, Joe Biden at the time. I was actually honored by our mayor, Muriel Bowser, to be one of the presidential electors right here in D.C.
You got to actually cast the vote.
I actually was the person who actually casted the ballot for Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. So not only was it exciting because I was a Howard alum, it was also exciting. I'm a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, so one of her fellow D9 sisters. And additionally, it was the year of the 200th anniversary of Florence Nightingale, who was the year of the nurse. And so it was an amazing opportunity to be there and to represent not just Howard, Black excellence, culture. We do the thing, so I was excited.
That's incredible. What's next for you? What's coming up? What are you efforting right now that they should know about? I mean, we have 200 alum in here, but we have 100,000 alum who may see this. Hey y'all, happy homecoming. You should be here.
Happy homecoming. So listen, B, you and I actually just participated in a wonderful event even yesterday that you helped to curate. And my goal and mission is to make sure that as we are out here celebrating and partying, eating and drinking all the things, our health is so important. And Black and brown people die disproportionately, not always because of genetics, but because we are not always informed. So it is important to me that we have health literacy, that you can still be fly, that you can still do the things, but if you're not here physically to do the work that God put you on this earth to do, none of it matters. And so you and I have both experienced a couple of friends, and we were at Howard back in the 90s, which I personally think was alive this time. And we lost people. And so it's important for those of you that are watching, those of you that are here in the alumni tent, take care of your health. It is for real. Heart disease, diabetes, Black women are still dying disproportionately from maternal infant health. So take care of yourself. So as you're doing all the things today, please drink some water, take your medications, see your doctor, go find a Black healthcare professional so they don't see you just as a statistic and or as a diagnosis. Your health is most important.
There's nothing I can or should say, but give her a round of applause, please. She's helping to save all of our lives. help us meet our great-grandkids. How about that?
That part. And listen, I got so excited. We participated in a 5K yesterday. So I'm hoping that next year, instead of the 150 or 200 people that were there, as Bryndan said, please join us for this phenomenal event that's kind of an add-on to Howard Homecoming. You can walk, you can jog, you can stroll, bring your kids out there, but really make sure that you prioritize your health even as you're getting ready to partake in the homecoming festivities. So Howard University is excellence undefined. We truly are the birthplace, in my humble opinion. We are the Mecca. So just keep doing the doggone thing, everybody. Happy homecoming. And Bryndan, thank you so much for this opportunity.
It's my pleasure. Thank you. One more round of applause.
Thank you.
Meedie Bardonille.